Hi, I'm Theresa. I'm so glad I took this class. Just completed the marketing section and just saw some of my weaknesses in trying to start a business, how to get my service out in front of people, and why I failed in some of those aspects in the past. Um, there's been other things too that we've discussed. We've been able to chat with each other in the chat sections and realize that I'm not the only one learning and building a network. And this has been um, a fabulous webinar to be able to show that, yeah, the possibilities of actually having a drone business and being up front um, in this business and not missing out on this opportunity. Um, just just want to thank all our instructors. They're doing a great job. They're making it fun and very interactive, and just looking forward to the next future um, with me in drones, um, and legacy for my not just son but my grandkids.